Lght Bee is a company based here in Canary Island, and we started the company at 2012, and we were working before in the technology visible light communication around 20 years before the startup of the company. We are a group of engineers, and then we start working in that type of technology. It's a technology of interesting because we can develop all the solution for all the world, because we don't have like others like radio frequency. We don't need to put it in a for example, in some certificate or something. We can develop one solution for around all the world, and we also use the infrastructure system, and for example, a screen of the light of the lamps, and so on. We believe that we have to develop something easy to use, and for example, in that case, the access of the tourist facility, like a door, or in some kind, for example, for rent a car or something similar. And in this case, we use this type of solution. We use the light, and then it's easy to, for example, to open the door. And also, we are compatible with existing technology, because in touring facility, hotels normally are hard to they don't want to change the door or the lock, and then they prefer an upgrade. And then we can compatible with the existing solution. We can integrate it or add it to use it, because it's too easy, and we only need a screen or for example, not a mobile, or also only for example a tablet or something similar. The name of the technology is Visible Light Communication, okay, VLC. Nowadays there are two ways of developing that technology. People know Wi-Fi as a type of technology using the characteristic of the light because they have a great bandwidth. We try to develop in that case of this technology is a good solution for problem in the now world. For example, in the case of for this lock for tourists, sometimes it's hard to integrate solutions with Bluetooth, NFC, RFID, because they are not totally compatible. For example, NFC is not totally compatible in all the phones, but we use the screen, and all the phones have a screen, and we are totally compatible. More or less 90% of the mobiles we can in the phone we can use it. And then it's the other way, IoT, trying to find what is the advantage of the technology compared with others. The technology we use is cheaper than radio frequency, because photonic electronic are cheaper, and also we also use only 50% of the structure, because, for example, in this case we use the screen. The screen is available, and then we don't need another. And in this case, we only have to develop the receiver. Rent a car or car sharing, the cost of a solution using Bluetooth is about 300. We can now, we don't have a big volume, and we can now develop this solution in about 150, the half of the cost.